No, we keep that up here in the thing. Oh, okay. That's what you did then. Put it on top, put it on top. Pop time. We're gonna gamble him away. Alright. It's time to put him in the fire pot. There's some more water for you. Water for you. Oh, he's good enough. Dump that, John. Woo, woo. I just stuck my finger in there. See how cold it is? Oh, that's pretty cold. Alright. Do we thought Junior will be frozen and die? Which is a good thing. Okay, now that's cold. Get all the water out of it. Okay, time to heat. Okay, I think we gotta go outside. Oh, yeah. Time to light now. We're now covered in vegetable oil. He is now being oiled. We're gonna boil this oil. Time to burn the billy bob. Bazinga! It's burn barrel time. Alright. So we have our bird dog here. We gotta rough him up a bit. Rough him up? Rough him up more? That's good. We've roughed him up with the carpet, right? Oh, this is the sacrificial fire we had this. Yep. Okay. Don't get way back. This is like the fire. Catching fire. Well, I can do all these things. And we can get burned. Oh, but I don't think I'd put it there long enough. Maybe I don't have enough oil. You want a little more oil? Maybe I don't want to flash fire or anything like that. Oh, I'm pinching him. He's turning like little black specks on him. What about like his little standing point? Maybe you could like. Oh, we're gonna look at more oil. Oil has been got. Have the oil and some more. I'm turning to the sacrificial fire. Okay, I got the oil. Oil. Alright, 4th of July. Okay, can't say that. Alright. We can. He is not idea. I think we got the wrong oil. I think we need another kind of oil. So, does anybody have a pot lid? I have a pot lid. Might need it. Behind you. We'll see. Like the oil. That's an idea. Oh no. It's not turning. We're going to mash up and we're glorious, but we don't have to do that. We're going to torch it a little bit. I'm sorry. You know what I think we need? Green bag, yes. It's not moisture in it. Yes, come on. You want one? Alright. We're going to light the candle. You probably have to. Right. Just hold it, I think.